guys, welcome back to my channel. I am so excited about this video. It's my favorite time of year, October, November, December. I love those months. They make me so happy. So I'm excited that this time is already here again, and I'm excited for the fashion. My fashion just goes up 10 levels when it's autumn. I've already started my autumn feed on Instagram, so if you want fashion inspo, definitely follow me on there. I posted like a picture of leaves and I was like, it's time. Yeah, I really like my hair today. I haven't pin curled it since I got a trim, so if you didn't watch that video, I think it was like preparing for London vlog. I got like a few inches of my hair off, and I got like, what is it called, not layers, like face framers, but they kind of started a feathering. So it started like here and then she kind of feathered it down, but it's giving me so much volume, guys. I really recommend it if you want to change up your hair without getting layers. Maybe try something at the front of your face, because my hair looks so much healthier, mashallah. And yeah, I haven't pin curled it since, and I feel like the curls have held better because my hair's a bit shorter. My hair, like, curls don't really last in my hair, that's why I pin curl it. So these will probably be out in like 2 hours. But that's fine. I just like the volume, and I'm wearing a jumper. I actually could have worn a jumper in August. That's how cold our summer has been. August, I think we had like a week of sun and that was it. So I've been ready for a while to take out my jumpers, and this one's beautiful. It's this cropped jumper. It's from ASOS. It's from the petite range, but in my head I was like, I'm definitely gonna wear this all the time with pants and skirts, and that's what I'm wearing it with today. I'm obsessed with my outfit. I will show you, don't worry. I love all like this ridges in it. I think ASOS sweaters are really good quality. I always keep my ASOS jumpers for years, and they don't get like bobbly or anything. I don't know, in Urdu we call it bur, you know, when you get like, oh, this is slanted. That's so annoying. Don't know if that helped. You know when clothes get like bur, that's what we call it, but it's like when they get all like bobbly. I think you can get like machines to take it off, but I don't think you could do that with this. Anyway, and then I have this beautiful pleated skirt from Monkey. I got it in like they only had like this like really big size left, so I've like pinned it. You can't really tell. And then I put this beautiful belt on. This is from ASOS as well. I got this recently, so I'll try to link it. I haven't even told you what this video is about. Let me tell you what this video is about. Also, wait, I don't know if I should buy this bag. I don't know if I want the outfit to look preppy, because if I do, then I could also wear my pearl headband. I don't know. Anyway, let's talk about the video. This video is going to be a thrift with me video. So if you don't know what thrifting is, it's basically when you go into shops that sell secondhand clothes. So people like donate their clothes, their old clothes that they don't want to wear anymore, to these shops. Then you can buy them from there. In Manchester, in our town centre, I know we have so many thrifting shops, so I'm gonna go to them. I think one's called Cow. I just wanted to make this video because I know it's back to school season, and I know when I was in college and high school, I didn't have a lot of money to like go into shops and buy like a whole new wardrobe for school. So I want to see if this is like a cheaper alternative, and I'll let you guys know. And I also love how in thrift shops and stuff you can find like such unique pieces that no one else is gonna have. So I'm pretty excited to go in. I do have Pinterest pictures in mind of things that I would like go towards. So if you don't know my style, it's very preppy. Sweater vests and like checked pants and houndstooth pattern. So my friend has kindly offered to help me film this video, so I'm gonna do a little shops with me first, and then at the end of the video I'll show you what I got and I will style it all for you guys. But I'm really excited, and let me know any more fashion related content that you'd like. But now I need to decide if I want to put a headband on. It looks pretty cute, but I don't know if that's the vibe I'm going for. Oh, my friend's here. Okay, so we're at the first thrift shop. It's over here. And if you're from Manchester, for reference, Primark's just that. So I don't even know if you can film in here. So we'll close the camera for now, and then we'll be back. So we came across some jerseys, but they're all pretty beat up. Like you can see they're like coming apart. But I like that trend of wearing like football jerseys. I think it's really cute. And this gives me like American summer camp vibes. Do you know what I mean? We'll keep looking though. The search continues. I like it. I'm gonna hold on to this. It's like vintage. I like it. Vintage. Look at that. It's so grandma, but I love it. So I think this is very autumn. Like, it would actually look nice with this outfit. I think brown's coming back in fashion. Getting the brown blazer. So I didn't really like anything else, but I'm excited to style this. So now we're going into good old Oxford. So now we're gonna go into Cal. Oh look, it says it. This is the one I was talking about before. Hi guys, so it is a few months later now and I finally got around to filming this video. You guys saw the vlog portion of it. It was, I wouldn't say it was a fail, like I got 4 pieces, which I think is pretty good. Went into Cal, there's a clip of me saying don't come here in Cal. That's just because I feel like it was really overpriced, and that's fine if your intention when you're going to buy secondhand clothing is to be like eco-friendly and you're not really bothered about the price. But for me, the point of the video was like shopping on a budget and like I don't know, like you guys see that you don't need loads of money to be fashionable. Yeah, I didn't get anything from Cal. I feel like there was a few cool places, but honestly the places I found the best things at were charity shops. So like Oxfam and all of that. Yeah, I'll just get into the mini haul. It's a very mini haul. This is going to be a really short video. Stuck to my theme. So as I said like before the video started, I was looking for more workwear slash like preppy style outfit, so I definitely found that and I'm really happy with everything I got. Everything was under £10. This blazer, originally from Boohoo, I got it at Oxfam. It was like £5 guys, and I've always wanted a blazer like this. So it's a really beautiful blue colour and then it has those gold buttons going down here. It's just very smart and preppy. The gold buttons definitely add like preppiness to it. It was a size 8, so like perfect for me. I was a bit skeptical at first because when I get blazers I like to get them a bit bigger, but because I know I would shut the buttons on this, I didn't mind it being a more slim fit. But yeah, I really like this. I'm gonna create outfits with everything as well. Okay, so for the base of my outfit, I'm going to back up so you can see. I've kept it really simple. I've just done a black polo neck and these work pants from Zara. I just thought I'd let the blazer do the talking because it's such a statement piece. I always feel really suffocated when I wear a blazer. So that's what the whole outfit looks like. I really like it. It's very sophisticated. But yeah, I've never tried a work outfit like this. Like the outfits that I wear to teaching are very like just cutesy, and I've never tried anything like sophisticated. The next thing I got is very simple. It is this knitted t-shirt. I've washed all these, by the way, that's why they don't have tags on them. But yeah, it's really good condition and I've always wanted one of these because they're just a staple and they can go with anything. But yeah, you can wear it with like blue jeans or work pants or a skirt. Oh my gosh, I think this is my favorite outfit. So I've paired the knit t-shirt with a beige scarf from Monkey, and then I have an ASOS belt and an ASOS cardigan. But I think this looks so chic, guys. I'll show you the shoes I'm wearing. The shoes are like Chanel vibes as well. They're from ASOS. I love these. But yeah, I just really like this outfit. I love all the tones. I think the fact that this is knit gives it such a more chic vibe than having just like a jersey t-shirt on. Ooh. The next thing I got, you saw in the vlog portion of it, it's this brown tweed, almost not tweed, like it's a very thick material blazer. I think it's more of a casual blazer, but it's so cute. Like, it's so autumnal. I can't wait to style this. Yeah, I'm not a huge fan of the buttons. The buttons definitely give it a more casual vibe. Okay, this is probably my favorite. It looks so nice with the turtleneck. Gives the outfit the pop that it needed. It's very autumnal. Love this. I would definitely wear this to work. I have got another outfit in mind that I'm gonna try on. So this is like look number 1. Much more sophisticated. So this is the next outfit I came up with, featuring the white knit sweater that I also got in this haul. But yeah, I thought I'd do a brown on brown moment. I know a lot of you guys will appreciate this one. It just looks like a completely different outfit. It's a completely different vibe. I got these pants from Stradivarius. It has pockets. I got it quite a while ago, but I know they always do these type of pants in different colors. The next and last clothing item I got is my favorite. So River Island do really nice clothes, but they're so pricey, and I've had my eye on their like oversized eyelash cardigans for ages. They sell it around like £40. I found a River Island cardigan for £7. That's what it looks like. How beautiful. It's like Chanel vibes. Don't worry about the button over here, it came off in the wash. Like, I still have it with me, just need to sew it back on. But I am so happy about this purchase. Like, I've been dying for one of these cardigans for ages. I just paired it with this black skirt, chiffon skirt from Monkey, and then obviously you've got the cardigan on, and then I've got the same flats on. I had to put a headband in my hair as well, and then this bag that I got from Shein a long time ago. Yeah, that's what the whole outfit looks like. I really love it. I know this is going to be way too girly for some people, but honestly you can wear this with blue jeans as well. So the next two things I got are bags. One of the bags Mari has stolen to me and taken to uni, so I'll add that somewhere. But it's just the tote bag of dreams. It's such a nice tote bag. It gives me designer vibes. It reminds me of the Marc Jacob tote that's been going around. I think it's Marc Jacob. It's like a tote and it says the tote bag on it. But yeah, the next bag I got, this is £3 and it is so classy. I can't. Look at that. And it opens like this. It's so cute. It's got so much space inside. The lining's really nice as well, and then it's got a zip pocket as well. But it definitely goes with more classy outfits. Like, I think it would look really nice with the cardigan. But yeah, that is all I got. That is the end of this video. I know I didn't get, it's not like a huge haul, but that wasn't the point of the video. I just wanted to show you guys an alternative for shopping and stuff like that. And it was, I asked you guys on Instagram if you'd like this style of video, and loads of you said yes. So I know it's a shorter one, but I really hope you guys enjoyed it, and let me know if there's any other videos you want to see from me, or if I should do one of these videos again in the future. So make sure you are subscribed to my channel and follow me on Instagram if you want more outfit inspo, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.